is Lee Sterling of ParamountSports.com. What can I say? Another winning week. Last week we go 8-4 on the week. Now 12 out of 14 winning weeks since the start of the preseason football. No one, and I mean no one in the country, has the type of record we have since the start of the football. Now, if you'd like to get involved with Paramount Sports, go to the website, ParamountSports.com. November to Remember special. Every game I've got on my executive phone service from now through Monday, December 3rd, just $397. If you use the promo code SAVE50, lowercasing SAVE and the number 50, takes it down to $347 for 4 weeks of action. Also, do basketball. Maybe the best handicapper in the country in college and pro basketball. You can get from now through the middle of June 2013, 7.5 months of action, just $1,797. That's a couple $100 a month, guys. So if you want to get involved, go to ParamountSports.com. 2 options, November to Remember special. Every game on my executive phone service from now through Monday, December 3rd, $397. Use promo code SAVE50. Also, ParamountSports.com to get the basketball. It's the executive phone service from now through the middle of June 2013. So 2 ways to win and start winning. ParamountSports.com, or you can always call the office, 800-400-9741.